Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. NotebookLM is easily one of the most powerful free AI tools available right now, and its slide deck generator is seriously underrated. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 mind-blowing ways to use NotebookLM slide decks that most people don't even know about. NotebookLM is a free Google AI tool that lets you create notebooks around any topic. You can upload sources, organize research, chat with your content, and generate slide decks directly from your notes. Most people make one big mistake. They just click generate slide deck. That works, but it barely scratches the surface. If you click the pencil icon instead, you unlock advanced settings that let you fully control the style, structure, and purpose of your presentation. That's where things get powerful. Let's dive in. So, use case number one, turn handwritten notes into slide decks. You can upload photos of handwritten notes, literally taken with your phone, and NotebookLM accurately extracts the text. So, from there, you can tell it to turn those notes into a clean, visually appealing presentation in any style you want. What's impressive is how well it follows your original outline. So, it doesn't just summarize, it structures the slides logically and turns rough notes into something presentation ready. Now, the second use case is learn faster with storybook slides. One of my favorite use cases is learning. Instead of reading long blocks of text, you can ask NotebookLM to turn your research into a storybook style slide deck. You can even choose creative styles like a modern manga or illustrated narrative. This is amazing for visual learners, kids, or even adults who want to absorb information more easily. It feels like studying and more like reading a story whilst you're covering all the important details. Now, the use case number three is turn boring text slides into branded presentations. If you only have a boring text only presentation, you can upload it as a PDF into Notebook LM. So then upload a brand guide, colors, fonts, style rules, and ask Notebook LM to polish the presentation while following those brand rules. The result is clean, professional slide deck that keeps all your original content but looks dramatically better. This is perfect for business that want consistent looking presentations without redesigning everything from scratch. Now, Notebook LM isn't perfect. All slide decks include watermarks. You can directly edit individual slides, and visually, many decks have a similar overall feel. So, while it's incredible for speed and structure, it's not ideal if you need heavy customization or animations. That's where fully editable AI slide tools come in. But Notebook LM still shines for fast, high quality generation. Use case number four is goal focused, step by step plans. Notebook LM is also excellent for turning research into actionable plans. For example, if you have a fitness goal or skill you want to master, you can upload guides and sources, then ask Notebook LM to create a step by step slide deck in a specific style, like a chalkboard or coaching guide. You get a clear progression, prerequisites, drills, and milestones, all structured in a way that's easy to follow. Use case number five is workshop and training slide decks. Most people think slide decks are only for presentations, but they're incredibly useful for workshops. You can ask Notebook LM to turn your notebook into a hands on workshop deck, complete with exercises, discussion prompts, and tasks for participants. It is perfect if you're asked to run a workshop on short notice. You just upload your sources, generate the deck, and you instantly look organized and prepared. Use case number six is side by side debate slides. Another powerful use case is comparison and debate. You can upload sources with opposing viewpoints and ask Notebook LM to create slides split into two sides, pros on one side and cons on the other. This works incredibly well for controversial or complex topics because it forces balanced thinking and makes difference easy to understand at a glance. Now, use case number seven is auto generated speaker notes. Finally, once you love your slide deck, download it and upload it back into Notebook LM as a source. Then ask it to generate speaker notes for the presentation. You'll get a slide by slide breakdown of exactly what to say, fully grounded in your original sources. This is huge if you want to present confidently without memorizing everything. So, those are 7 powerful ways to use Notebook LM slide decks that most people completely overlook. And the crazy part is, everything you saw in this video is completely free. No upgrades, no hidden paywalls, and no complicated setup. Once you start using Notebook LM this way, it stops being just another AI tool and becomes something you can actually rely on for learning, teaching, marketing, and creating faster than ever. If this video helped you even a little, Make sure to like the video, it really helps the channel reach more people who want to use AI smarter, not harder. Also, if you want to keep getting practical AI tutorials like this, tools you can actually use today, subscribe and turn on notifications because I post content like this regularly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you in the next one. Are you ready to own one of the most in-demand AI tools every business needs for customer support and communications? Introducing Helpira, the ultimate AI help desk software. Helpira is an AI-powered help desk and customer communication platform that handles questions, feedback, support tickets, and reviews automatically. It gives instant, accurate responses and cuts your support workload in half. Whether you run an e commerce store, agency, gym, tech business, or HR team, every business needs customer communication done right. The businesses that serve faster wins, Helpera makes that happen. And here's where it gets exciting. You don't just use Helpera, you own and sell it as your own high value product and pocket the profits. Sell unlimited licenses, offer setup services, implement it for clients, collect recurring fees. It's a goldmine for recurring income in the AI SaaS world. Plus, 30-day refund, 24/6 support, and a satisfaction guarantee make this a no-risk opportunity to start selling what businesses actually want. So if you're ready to build a profitable income stream and help businesses thrive with AI, get your Helpera agency today. So what are you waiting for? Get Helpera now. Just go to gethelpera.in.